One today's class of Masti Ki Pathshala from Khan Academy Kids, we are going to talk about alphabets, vowels and consonants. So here we go.
These are all the letters of the alphabet. But only 5 letters in the alphabet are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Say it with me. A, E, I, O, U. Good work! All of the other letters are consonants.
Okay, so in this video we learned that we have 5 vowels and 21 consonants, and we have total 26 letters. A, E, I, O, U are the vowels and rest other are our consonants, and each vowel sounds have a long sound and a short sound. So let's learn A, E, I, O, U, the long sound and the short sound.
Remember vowels? The letter A is a vowel, and it can make different sounds. It can make the short A sound, like an apple. Or it can make the long A sound, like an ape. An ape eating an apple.
So we have 2 sounds for vowel A, short sound and long sound. Apple is a short A. Ape, long A. Alligator. You have to decide whether alligator A is long or short. Astronaut. Akron. So speak yourself and decide. Thank you. We are moving to next letter, the next vowel, that's E.
The letter E is a vowel. It can make the short E sound like an egg. Or it can make the long E sound like an eel. An eel painting an egg. Now it's my turn.
So again we have understood that we have 2 sounds for E, the short E as an egg and a long E as an eel. Now you yourself decide what sound we have in elephant and electric bulb and emotions. Thank you. Let's move to next vowel, that is I.
The letter I is a vowel, and it can make different sounds. It can make the short I sound, like in the word insect, one of my favorite things. Or it can make the long I sound like an ice cream. An insect eating an ice cream.
Oh, that's so cute. A ladybug eating an ice cream. So it was a small insect called ladybug having the red body. So we learned we have a short I as an insect and a long I as an ice cream. Now it is for you to decide what sound we have in India. Indonesia. Income tax. Okay, here we go and we learn vowel O.
The letter O is a vowel. It can make the short ah sound like an octopus. Or it can make the long O sound like an ocean. An octopus swims in the ocean. But I swim in the pool.
Okay, so we have a short O as an octopus and a long O as an ocean. So you have to decide which sound we have in owl, in ostrich, and again in our friend otter. And now we go for our last vowel, that's U.
The letter U is a vowel fit for a princess. It can make the short U sound, like in the word underwear. Or it can make the long U sound, like in unicorn and flute. A unicorn in underwear playing the flute.
Unicorn in underwear playing a flute. A nice sentence. So, kids, now you know you have a short U and a long U. Long U in unicorn, short U in underwear. Find out for yourself the sound of umbrella, whether you have a short U and or a long U. Thank you for watching it. And now I will just sum up. We have 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U, and we have 21 consonants apart from all these 5 vowels. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, we will be back.